In this video, you will learn how to use the Split Load Region tool to move data to the correct field. The Split Load Region tool assists you in keeping your data in the correct location in the management tree. The Split Load Region tool will split your datasets and the data contained in them into the correct fields based on set field boundaries. To begin, open SMS. Verify that your field has a boundary and locate the dataset that contains data from multiple fields in your management tree. Right-click on the dataset and click Split Load Region. The dataset will now be split into multiple datasets under the correct field name based on established boundaries. The Split Load Results dialog will open and indicate how many points were moved. Click Close at the bottom. You have now learned how to use the Split Load Region tool to move data to the correct field. For more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.